If you've noticed your garden is being damaged or eaten by small animals like rabbits, gophers, or armadillos, then check out Animal Stopper Granular Repellent. This product is an effective, long-lasting repellent made with plant-derived oils that will work to keep small animals away from treated areas. This product works by smell, taste, and touch to provide harmless and humane animal control. Animal Stopper Granular Repellent is biodegradable and will control treated areas for up to 30 days, leaving no unpleasant odors or any trace of damage to plants. Animal Stopper Granular Repellent can be applied directly from its container, or you may optionally apply this product using a push spreader or a handheld spreader. Before you apply Animal Stopper, identify areas on your property where rabbits, skunks, gophers, or other small animals are likely to invade or infest. Look for openings in fences, animal burrows or tunnels, and areas shaded by ornamental plants. To minimize direct contact with the product, put on your personal protective equipment or PPE. We recommend you wear gloves, a long-sleeve shirt, long pants, and closed-toe shoes. With the 2.5-pound container of Animal Stopper, just flip the tab open and shake the product over the areas you wish to treat. When using a spreader, be sure to set an even pace to apply your product evenly. Apply Animal Stopper Granular Repellent liberally to dens, tunnels, entry points, and around plants that need protection. When using near plants or crops grown for consumption, apply this product as a perimeter application. Reapply this product as needed every 30 days. Use Animal Stopper to prevent rabbits and other small animals from invading residential or commercial properties. This product is labeled to repel rabbits, armadillos, groundhogs, skunks, gophers, raccoons, and beavers. Apply this product to dens, tunnels, perimeter entry points, and around plants that need protection. You may apply Animal Stopper as a perimeter application around homes and buildings, and around gardens and flower beds. Do not apply directly over plants grown for consumption, but you may apply this product around dormant fruit and nut trees. Use Animal Stopper when small animals have been noticed around your property, or when signs of their activities, such as nesting and foraging, have been observed. Animal Stopper Granular Repellent is safe to use and harmless to children or pets when used according to label directions. Always wear the proper PPE when handling any pest control product.
Solutions Pest and Lawn is a small, family-owned business that relies on people like you to succeed. Our goal is to help you treat your pest problem. If you have any questions after watching this video, please email, call, or stop by one of our stores and we can help you out.